are welcome to see the impact of the Sounds of Hope International, what we have been able to do. You are welcome to see the children's schools. You are welcome to see the children's home. You are welcome to see the Skills Center, the mighty great work that has been able to unfold in this area. You are welcome, my dear friends. Well, I would love to talk about the Skills Center and the introduction of skills into the community and how positively it has impacted a lot of lives of the women, of the youth. We have been able to educate over 300 women. We have been able to extend skills to these people, and they are really having a great life out of it. I would want to take you into the lives of them before they came here. Many of them were having a lot of struggles in their lives and could not fend for their families, which is something that we have been able to eradicate at this moment. People are able to fend for their families. People are able to raise their children. People are able to feed their children. This is something that we are looking at, one-stop shop that can make someone go into self-sustainability, that can make someone be able to stand with their families over and over and over. In the previous, people were not having a chance to educate their children because they had no any sources of income. And yes, this is the problems that we are trying to tackle. You